we have a Genie accelerator, model ISD 990, screw drive. On these models here, you can find the model number underneath the shell, so you just pull down on this here, right there. Right there. Some of the other screw drive models will actually have model numbers on the rail on the sticker. This unit here, let me show you what it's doing. You press the wall button, it's making a clicking sound. All right, here it attempted to. Try it one more time. It's nothing. What you want to do is pull down that lens, and there's a light in the far left corner with the status. See it? It's gonna flash a series of times. We're gonna count the flashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is telling you an error code on these units. So I know what 5 is. I've just seen them long enough that it's usually a safety sensor, safety beam failure is what it's telling me. But if you don't know what that is, simply just go on Google or on Genie's website, and they have a troubleshooting guideline. They'll actually tell you on there how many times the green flashes and what it means. So 5 is a safety sensor issue, so we're going to take a look at the sensors, which I already looked at when I first walked in. First thing I do usually when I walk in is look at all the components of the door and the motor, and I did see lights on the sensors, but we may need to replace them. Did the sensors, we got them on. We're gonna go ahead and test the unit and see what it does. These models, they typically run slow when they close, and they should go fast when they open. Let's watch and see what happens. There you go.